Hello guys! Welcome back to our Europe travel series, Day 3. After exploring Netherlands, we are off to Brussels.
And after that, we will go straight to Paris.
Good morning guys! So,
This is our Day 3. 7:49 AM ng Resurrection Sunday, April 20. So, ang punta namin
sa Brussels.
Stop over tayo sa Brussels. Iti dun kakayani tumapat. Yan. Tapos, going to Paris na tayo for our day 3. Okay. See you later. Breakfast lang kami. Grabe napagod pala kami sa sa pag-pack ng luggage. Yung pag-close kasi ang dami masyado. Bigyan niyo din ng time yun. No? It's good na bigyan nila ng oras ng allowance. Nakakapagod. Yan. So, babay na tayo dito sa Intel Hotel. Pakita natin yung view again. Okay, walang tao pag maaga.
Ibon sa...
So, later na lang habulin muna namin yung oras. Kasi may train kami para Brussels. Bye-bye! See you! Day 3. So, breakfast and then after this, we'll go to... Okay, see you later. Kain lang kami. Honey!
So, ayun na nga. Naiiwan kami ng train to Brussels.
Yup, di namin naabutan yung train namin, guys. Pero okay lang yan. In travel, not everything always goes as planned.
Exactly. Sometimes may mga detour talaga na hindi mo ina-expect. Pero minsan, those become the best parts of the trip, di ba?
Tama. So, dahil nga na-delay, na-push din ng konti yung dating namin ng Paris.
Pero alam nyo, it was actually a blessing in disguise.
Sa safe naman kaming nakarating ng Paris, may mga bago rin kaming nakilala along the way.
So, we just want to say
A big shout out to Mr. and Mrs. Marsun!
Thank you so much for the company during the trip, for being so kind and friendly, and especially for the KitKat, which really made the part of our journey more meaningful and fun.
Yes, so one of the best part of traveling, guys, is yung mga namimit nating people along the way.
Kaya ayan guys, samahan niyo kami as we continue our trip and show you kung paano namin na-enjoy ang day trip
And still turn out to be one of the most unforgettable days.
Our friend here from Dubai. They are originally from Morocco. This is Mr. Masood and
his wife, Micheline.
Micheline, yeah. Thanks for the chocolates. The pronunciation of that word is...
It's not Gouda, it's Gouda.
Ah, nice. We learned something new. Yay, thank you. We made it to Brussels. Well, Brussels na to. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, lalabas lang kami ng station, guys. Ani. Labas lang tayong station, tapos mag-explore na tayo dito sa Brussels. Yeah, see you. Baby. Brussels Midi Station. 1443. There. So, maglalakad tayo. Kasi para free and easy tayo makakilos mamaya. Diba, honey?
Yes, let's do it now.
Okay. Let's do it now. Okay, go. English, XXL. Number of days.
1 week, so I want.
Uy, yung mahal, han. 13.50.
We need this one.
Pinakamalaki na yan?
Eh, yeah, XXL. Bilis kumain ng pera nito ah.
Iba talaga to si ma'am. 1 hour lang tayo dito.
Ayun na, 6 digit. Di birthday.
Okay. Just a symbol. Hello. Welcome to Belgium. This is Brussels train station, looks like. Okay. Ayan yung train natin. Ayan yung train natin, Han. Ayan, oh. Papadating na. Hello. That's our train, look.
Saan tayo mag-a-alight?
Huh?
Central ah.
Yeah, one stop only. Ayan na po ang girl natin. madumi. Pero yung train naman nila sa loob, malinis na.
Hanap. Kikip ko na.
Sorry.
Isa pa.
Wala na.
Tingnan din.
This is Brussels Central outside station. Look, I think it's somewhere there. Yung the Grand Place. Yeah.
Pero meron silang part na ano.
Okay, we just walk.
Yung palace nila.
Yeah. Hello.
Hi.
So, dito naman, hindi na siya amoy ano. Hindi na amoy damo. Yung Amsterdam, paglabas mo pa lang ng station, ano na yung maaamoy mo. Yun na kaagad. Dito, paglabas ng station, mapanghi.
Iba yata yung nilabas namin eh.
Mapanghi. Ang mahal ba naman? Mapapap. Yan ka na lang eh. Actually, alam ko nahan ba't mapanghi. Ang mahal kasi ng toilet nila dito, 1.10.
Ang tayo lang, dadaan.
Green Mountains.
Ginagawa.
Ginagawa, pero yun.
Tingnan mo yung palace ah. Tayo no.
Yeah. Kala ko kaso.
Nakalabas pa lang namin landed 2 o'clock. Kaya di nalagay natin mahabol yung 3. Baka niluluto pa lang yung Belgian mga pangluto.
Construction yan. Kaya construct dito. Pero it seems like
Imagine mo nilalagay dito yung landing.
exactly, you're right. Hindi, I thought kasi isa lang ang magkakasya. Kaya
Hindi mo pa kasha, ipapasok ko pa din. I don't
Han.
mind. Picture mo para alam mo sa
Putari. We're shopping. Yeah. Pan. Okay, pan. Ah. Ganito na. Grabe architecture. This is the architecture of Brussels. Look at that. Okay, mag-map na tayo from here. Pero mag-picture muna tayo dito. Yay! Brussels! Ayun yung church, oh. So, bumaba lang kami. Tapos, bumaba lang kami dyan sa street na yan. Ganda ng park. Tapos, ang dami tao dun. Mr. Krishna. Hello. Parang lokal yan ah. Lokal ka ba dito, miss?
Dito tayo sa aming bansa, dito sa Brussels. Halina kayo at aking kayo ito tour. So, I've been staying here for about 15 years.
Oh, anong istorya ng Brussels?
Story ng Brussels is actually, yung unang panahon, yung mga babae, wala silang bra. So, may isang babae, ang pangalan niya, Razel. So, siya ang kauna-unahang nagsuot o nag-introduce ng bra. So, dahil siya, tinawag yun na Brussels. So, it's about the bra and yung name ng girl na si Razel. So, Brussels. Yun yun.
Bakit BRU?
BRU kasi sa kanila walang ano, yung pronunciation nila dun sa bra is BRU. Ay, dito tayo sa Central. Ay, parang may mga binibenta sila dun sa tent-tent.
Hatent-tent. Hatent.
Nagbebenta ng everything. Sentro siya, sentro.
Dami tao.
Saan na yung gustong kain? Sabi mo.
One.
Let's go. Today, I saw the rain.
Yeah. May strawberry oh. Oo nga, it's about to rain.
Yes, sir.
Wow, this is the grand place. Wow, it's raining, it's raining. Oh. Halika na. You don't know? Ba't mo ginawa?
Gulating ko pala.
Hindi, ano yan, yung nagsasayaw ng ano. Hindi. Masubugi. Oh, Jen.
Picture mo daw. Ito tayong dalawa. Pagkain natin.
Gulating ko pala. Hindi ba ako naglagay yun? Oo, kaya lang may dumaan.
Picture daw. Okay na. Ayun na naman. Ayun na yung fries oh.
Oh, sarap. Ang bango nga eh. This is, ayan yung sinasabi ko. Ayan. Wait lang, si Manikin Fest muna, tapos dyan na tayo. Kasi actually mahaba pila dyan.
Oo nga, mahaba pila dyan.
Yung Belgian waffle dyan. So, this is the kind of Amsterdam Central. Ha? Wow!
There? Is it there? Wait, which way we came from? You don't have them? You want to buy from here or later?
Later. Sabi, haba ng pila.
Yung mga kinds ng Belgium.
tao. Oh, how's it good? Okay. Napakasikat nito yung bata natin. Grabe, gano'ng kadaming tao. Ay, may bike ka nilaga. Kasi ang daming tao. And one fries. Yes. Cash? Card. Okay, card. Pay by card. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, thank you. French pala sila dito, baby. Excuse me. Price is coming down. Just nice lang. Mas masarap to kasi sa Singapore. Sa Singapore, instant eh. Ang price nila 4 euro. Tapos yung price up 150. So all in all, 550 yan. Taba pa. Belgian fries. Hindi salty eh. Parang walang salty. May salt lang. Meron. Manong. Hindi na naman napindot yung record. Sayang yung footage. What's that? Okay. Han, si Elizabeth daw.
Monte de Arts. Andito pala tayo. Kaya pala may apple. Ay,
Bakit? Anong apple?
Arts ma. Picture mo.
Record. Ayun pala si Albert eh.
Sabi ko yung series
Anong kwentong pinagkakalat ito kay Albert eh.
Kaya mamaya na lang si Albert. Let's go first.
Okay.
Dito ba?
Yeah, there. Yes. There. Resistant ka.
Go there.
Yeah, we should go down. There. So now,
Punta na tayo sa ating
hotel. Baba muna natin yung luggage din. Mag-tour tayo whatever we can hit. Medyo late na. Time check is 7:18 PM na dito. So, we'll see what we can hit by the time that we have. So, yun. Punta muna tayo sa hotel natin. Okay. See you again. See you later. Yay!
Finally! Yes! Ito na talaga guys.
So,
Touchdown
tayo
na
sa
kami.
Gare de Leon station. Ito yung station na pinakamalapit sa hotel namin. So, ikot tayo, honey. Ayan, tignan nyo. Oh, diba nice? Ayan, ikot pa. Ayan. Tapos, ayun lang yung hotel namin sa tapat. Yun. Dun lang.
Opposite lang.
Yun na. Okay, let's go. 65th floor. Oh, up, open mo. Ang cute. Kasya babao. Ano eh? Uy! Magsasara pa pala.
Ay, ano to? Traveler Choice Award daw sila.
Sige.
Research sila.
Grabe, kasigip ng lipo. Uy! Paano pag malulusog?
Ang aga ng
15 euro eh. Iyan lang yun. Eh di lumabas na lang tayo.
Yan o. I just brought this thing.
Okay. You have to push pala. Bilisan mo ba ang masarap dito? Grabe naman, Leaf. You're cute. Sa pakaliit, tas may pinto pa. Oh, panis. Okay. Anong room natin? Ang sige po, no? 60. Did you check the signs?
So that's it guys for our day 3. Naka-check-in na rin kami finally dito sa hotel namin sa Paris. Originally, ang plano namin was to arrive around 5 PM and start na agad with our Paris tour. Pero dahil nga sa delay, super late na kami nakarating. Tapos umuulan pa sa labas, and to make things more exciting na walan pa ng internet yung eSIM namin. I don't know why. Anyway, so we decided to just end the day. Magpahinga, tapos ayun, mag-recharge for the next one, which is super exciting.
Yes, abangan nyo ang day 4 namin, our first full day in Paris. Sa wakas, makikita na rin namin ang City of Love.
We're talking about a full-on French experience, French breakfast, Notre Dame, Eiffel Tower, at syempre yung trending na Carré chocolate na nakita namin sa TikTok.
At ang ending, Disneyland fireworks. Guys, pero guess what? Ito ang malala. Naiwan namin yung gamit namin sa locker. Binalikan pa namin the next day. Grabe yun.
Kaya don't miss it! Subscribe na, like, and hit the bell para updated kayo when we drop day 4. So, paano? Hanggang dito na muna, guys. Can't wait to see you in our Paris trip!
Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!